Now that you're happy with the workers in the bottling company, I would like to make you the managing director. And for the poultry farm, you can call for employment. You may hire a driver if you so wish.
Wow, Dad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I should be thanking you. You see, I promised myself that I was going to make you the richest young man in town before you turn 30 years. And I'm happy you are living up to it.
Dad, I'm grateful. I mean, you're doing it already. Thank you so much.
It's well.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
And I'm also indebted in the work you've...
Sometimes I just wonder if I'm still part of this family.
Now, what is the meaning of that?
Don't worry, Dad. I'll be right back for me, Doctor. And what was the meaning of that?
Why does your father constantly remind me that my father left nothing tangible for me?
And what do you mean by that?
Why can't he make me a manager in one of his companies? Why?
Oh, that? I see someone is trying to be productive. Very good. Okay, fine. I will talk to my father, alright? He is going to make you the manager of the poultry farm. How about that?
Excuse you? Can you hear yourself speak? A university graduate like me, a manager in a poultry farm?
Hey, come on, honey. You don't need to work yourself for nothing. Alright? Okay, fine. I can talk to my father. He could make you a manager in any of the companies. How about that?
You will have to talk to your father before he can give your wife a suitable job.
Oh, come on. What is wrong with you, Lizzie? I mean, what do you need a job for? I pay you salary. I give you everything you need in this house. You don't need a job if you ask me.
You know what? I am done talking about this. I thought you were a man.
Come on, why are you working yourself up for nothing? You don't need a job. Okay, fine, I'll talk to my father. She's not even talking to me.
My son, a woman is like a cocoyam leaf. No one knows where the head will eat when it sleeps.
That is deep.
Yes, it is. You have to watch your wife. To watch her closely. Don't let her take your dignity away. Always take your stance. But love her unconditionally.
Oh, Dad. Thank you so much for the piece of advice. I'm grateful. I'm inspired.
Let's drink to it.
Oh, of course. Okay. So to loving my wife unconditionally and...
Yes, and working hard at the office.
Exactly. And for long life and prosperity, with this family. We keep moving from strength to strength.
That is it.
Here we go, Dad.
Just see.
Here we go, Dad. All right.
Yeah.
And to the latest manager in town. A glass of wine. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Right.
Wow. Very good.
Go and call Dad.
He's already awake.
I said you should call him.
He's coming down from the staircase.
Is breakfast ready?
Yes, Dad. Good morning.
What is this? Pap?
Obviously, sir.
You should have asked me what I wanted. I don't like pap.
So? You mean the stress of waking up early to assist Anne in the kitchen is useless?
No, I didn't say that. I said I don't like pap. Definitely, I don't want it for breakfast.
You just know how to ruin someone's day.
Anna.
Sir?
You know I don't take pap. Why did you prepare it for me?
She insisted I prepare it, sir. I told her you do not like pap. She said I should prepare it anyway.
I'll go to the kitchen and fry me some plantain.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
You want to know how much you know. You can never tell me.
Honey, I told you I cannot continue with this anymore.
What happened?
Is he not your father? That man can never be appreciative for once. He finds reason to complain in everything, just everything I do.
I just asked what happened. What is it with my father?
He just rejected my breakfast simply because it's pap.
Then honey, you should give him what he wants. It's not as if we don't have enough food in this house.
And you expect me to go back to the kitchen? Hell no. I'm not going back to the kitchen.
And that is why we have Anna. I mean, that's why we pay her. Allow her to do her job.
Listen, sweetheart. We are all going to eat the same breakfast. If he doesn't want to eat with us, he should go hungry. Yes.
Oh, come on, Lisa. This is my father we're talking about.
I don't care if he's your God. He should learn to eat whatever I serve him for breakfast. This is my house, my husband's house, my rules. What are you doing in my kitchen?
I'm frying plantain now. Oga said he wants to eat plantain.
Who is Oga? My friend, drop that in and get out.
He said he's very hungry now.
Drop it and get out! Do you want me to push you? Get out! Leave! Drop it there and go! Leave!
Morning, Dad.
Oh, morning.
How was your night?
Oh, it was fine. You're ready for work?
Oh, yes, I am.
You drive safely.
Fine. See you in the evening.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Bye.
Where is the plantain?
Auntie Elizabeth drove me out of the kitchen.
Elizabeth drove you out of the kitchen? Why?
Because I decide what we all eat in this house.
Elizabeth, do I have to remind you that I built this house? And I employed Anna to be my cook.
And it's my kitchen. I decide what goes on in there.
Anna,
Sir?
go back to the kitchen and finish up with the plantain.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
the kitchen is locked.
Elizabeth, why did you lock the kitchen?
It is my kitchen.
Something's wrong. What's going on? Something's wrong. What's going on?
Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening, welcome.
How are you?
Yeah. Welcome.
Alright, Dad.
When you go upstairs, ask your wife why she locked the kitchen since morning.
Oh, Dad. Dad, how many times do I need to tell you that my wife is not your cook? She's not your maid. If you need anything to eat, tell Anna that's why she's there. That's why she's paid.
Son, do you know that sometimes when I look at you, I see myself as a man who brought a honeycomb to stay with you.
If you would excuse me, I had a terrible day.
Something's wrong. What's going on?
Come on. Why don't you want to take something?
Jerry, as you can see, I'm upset. I called you last week to talk to your friend. That old man treats me as if I'm a little girl that needs guidance in everything. He even wants me to beg him for a job.
Oh, Lizzie, please calm down, okay? Don't be upset. I spoke with Collins and he promised to see me physically. When he comes, I will sure discuss all this with him and all these things will stop.
Thank you.
More like it. So now what do I offer you to drink?
Anything chill would be nice.
Anything, chill. That means you need scotch or the rock.
Whatever.
Barman!
I think I know why you invited me.
And why haven't you done anything about it?
Jerry, I'm still... It's a gradual process, alright? And I'm still doing something.
Collins, listen. If you want a happy home, then keep your father away from it.
How?
Send him to the village. Or you buy a house for him on the outskirts of the city. That's simple.
Jerry, you're funny.
Collins, I'm sure you know my father is in the village. That is where he should be. Closer to his ancestors.
Because you built your house with your money. I didn't build where I live with my money. It won't be easy sending him out of his own house Don't you think?
Collins, can I ask you a simple question?
Go on.
Do you love your wife?
Are you the one asking this question? Of course you know I love my wife.
But your actions are proving otherwise. Collins, give her a happy home. I mean, make that home comfortable for her.
Jerry, the truth is, I've allowed my wife treat my dad with so much scorn and hatred. But he still doesn't feel irritated to leave.
Then let your wife do more. One day he will be irritated and he will be forced to go to the village. Tell her to do more.
Jerry, you don't understand. My father is a very quiet man. He can't be easily upset, no matter how much you try.
You see, Collins, I'll call your wife and I'll give her tips on how to deal with him. I swear down, this time he will feel it to his bones. Mark my words.
Do you think it's good?
You see, with that, he'll be totally handicapped.
You see why I always come to you? You are too smart. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I will still come back and thank you.
Thank me. I'll be waiting.
Okay. How many times do you open the gate?
Other man, no they count.
And you, Abana? When last did you clean this house?
Yesterday, ma. Today, ma.
How many times?
Every day, ma. Every day.
Mr. Driver?
John. My name is John.
Oh, shut up. Who cares what your stupid name is? You're just an ordinary driver. Common driver.
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for your stupid self. How many times do you drive my father-in-law?
He doesn't normally go out unless he's going to golf club.
So you do literally nothing in this house.
Ma?
You are paid to do nothing in this house. Anyway, I am going to pay you people for this month so that you go elsewhere and get yourselves jobs.
Ma?
Madam.
I am still talking. Okay. You can go. Hey, you. I didn't ask you to go. I'm going to give you 1 month grace. If you continue your madness of siding with my father-in-law.
Thank you, ma.
Henceforth, your duties in this house includes cleaning.
Yes, ma.
You can go.
Thank you, ma.
You can go.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya, Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy little waloya. Ewo, makwara nabia, makwara gabia, makwara nabia.
Where is John? John! I told this boy that I'm going to the cathedral this morning for
John
prisoners.
is not around, sir.
Where did he go to?
Auntie Elizabeth sacked him yesterday.
Elizabeth
Your keys,
sacked
sir.
him? How can Elizabeth sack my driver without my consent? Okay. Tell Eke to open the gate for me.
Eket is also not around, sir.
She sacked him too?
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with this lady? How can she be sacking my workers without my consent? What an insult. I won't give the devil a chance this morning. Just to open the gate. So, where's your wife?
She's upstairs.
Go and tell her I want to see her.
But she's asleep. I can't go to wake her. Is that a problem?
Your wife sacked my driver, my gateman, and my cleaner without even informing me.
Maybe because she doesn't need their services anymore.
Did you hear yourself? Maybe your wife doesn't need the services of my driver and my gateman too. How can she sack people she didn't employ in the first place? Is that not height of insult?
Daddy, she must have a reason for doing that.
So you are aware of it from the beginning, eh?
No, Dad, please, I'm tired. I really need to go to bed. But I'll ask her tomorrow. I'll know why she did such thing. Good night. Oh, dear. Good night.
Anna.
Sir. I wanted to have a word with you, sir.
Okay.
I just wanted to remind you of my undying loyalty to you, sir. I honestly hate to see you sad. And if there's anything I can do to help, I will not hesitate to help, sir.
Thank you very much, Anna. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
That's well. Can you go and get me a cup of water?
Of course, sir.
Good.
I really mean it, sir. I could never forget how you took me off the streets, assisted me, and changed my life. I owe you everything, sir. And Anna is at your beck and call.
Thank you very much, Anna. That is reassuring. Thank you once again.
I'll get the water, sir.
Please do. Thank you.
Something's wrong. What's going on? Something's wrong. What's going on?
Good morning, Dad.
Oh, good morning, son.
How's your night?
Man, you ready for work?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Oh. Did you ask your wife what I told you last night to ask her?
Don't tell me you woke up still having that grudge in your heart.
Is that an answer to my question?
But Dad, honestly, I am beginning to have it up here. My wife is not your maid. She's not your cook. Excuse me. I was complaining.
You sent for me, ma.
Yes. Get me a glass of juice.
Yes, ma'am.
Come. Make sure you wash your hands with soap and water before bringing the juice. Aww.
Come, Elizabeth, come and help me with this.
Old man, my name is Lizzie, not Elizabeth. By the way, help you with what? I'm not a doctor and I don't look like one. Or you just want to report me to your son again?
You don't have to be a doctor to use this.
I don't want to use it.
Anna, come and help me with this.
Anna, get me fresh tomatoes and onions. Rush to the market.
But madam, how come you want me to help him and put you?
The money is on my bed. Rush to the market immediately.
Anna,
Sir?
go and help her buy tomatoes.
Okay, sir.
Get going! Fresh tomatoes! Fresh! Don't buy rubbish for me.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, enjoy a little while, yeah.
Mama, Mama, you're welcome. I've been waiting for you. Where have you been? Elisa, Mama, can't get away, Elisa. Elisa, I beg you, Elisa. Lizzie, Mama, Lizzie, level a change go.
Lizzie! What do you mean? You don't look happy. What happened?
How can I be happy? Mama, you need to follow me to my house. You need to follow me to that house to show them that you're an action woman. To pay you for Bella's. Let's see. Let them know that I have somebody.
You still haven't told me what happened.
Mama, I just want to be in charge of that house. I want to be in charge of the companies, the kitchen, everything, Mama. I want to be in charge of everything.
Don't worry. I will come and display a little drama for them. Trust me. I will tell them that you are the daughter of a lioness.
Biano. Hey. Come and show them.
Okay.
Hey! Nemo! Action woman! I know what you can do.
Don't worry yourself. Oh? Let me go and get you something to eat.
Hey, Mama. Don't bother yourself. I need to rush back to town. My husband will come and pick you.
But before then, can't you later? Can't not off, man. You want to
The lady is making the house unbearable for me. Not just me. Every other person, in fact. She insults Chief to his face. Anytime she likes.
And what does the son do about it?
That one. He has never put her in place. He does not call her to order. He just sits. Without saying a word.
Hey!
You see? In that case, you have to apply wisdom. Don't get involved in anything that concerns them. They are one family. Okay? Yes. He's very friendly. Who am I seeing?
Sister.
She went to church.
Hey! Sister, welcome. How are you? I'm fine, sister. How are you? How's work?
Work is fine. Oh, I hear you made straight A's in your egg.
Sister, I made 7 A's and 2 B's.
Perfect. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Good.
Sister, it's just that I want to buy my jam phone.
I knew you would not miss that. But do not worry. I'm so proud of you. Once I get my salary at the end of the month, I'll give you money for it.
Mama, did you hear her?
I heard her, my daughter. Go and get me water to drink before I leave.
Okay. I'm so happy to see you. Welcome.
No problem.
Okay, my in-law. We are here. Let's go. Okay.
This is Odinkenke Mile. For the speed.
You're welcome.
Hey!
Let's go inside.
Okay, Lydia. I knew it. I knew my daughter was coming to the right place. This is paradise. 1, 2. Hey! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm coming. Let me feed my eyes. 9. Hey! 9! What do you? Obalaba. Hey! Never know my na. Hey! Yeah. I'm going to Catholic church. I'm going father. And yeah. Never know my Maganga. No, you are the best thing that happened to my generation. God bless the day I found, the day my daughter found you for us. Hey!
Mama, come, let's go. Come, let's go.
You are so used to it.
You're welcome. There we go. Easy.
Oh, my glass. my reflection.
Let's go. Here we go.
Father, I thank you.
Let's go. You're welcome. This is your house. Feel free, alright? Let's go.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. Oh, sweet home, Mama. Come in. You're welcome.
At last I made heaven.
Something like that.
No.
Mama, please come.
Honey.
Honey.
Baby, you're welcome.
Mama, you've not seen anything yet. Wait till we go upstairs.
This is heaven.
Okay, ladies, I have to go. Honey, take mom to her room. Huh?
Alright, love.
Okay.
My good in-law.
Alright, my love, I'm coming.
What? You're not looking bad.
A good team now, but I now.
You look good as well. You've changed so much. Because you can.
Eh?
Oh, go see right there.
I would have even looked prettier and fatter. Oh my God, if not for one blood-sucking demon in this house. See, the person is bent on what's my mama name giving me headache day and night.
And who could that be? A maid or your husband's relative?
Marapoko, you just came. You have to freshen up. Eat well prepared, delicious food. Now we're mates here. After that we can talk.
That one is by the way.
Let me take it here. Plenty things to talk about. Let's go inside. Let me take you upstairs. Even on earth, you will like about Christmas. Mama, let's go. I'm going to get it. See it around the neck? 24 karat gold. I don't know about you.
I didn't know you were here. They didn't tell me you were coming.
Must you be told I was coming? Do I need to take permission from you before I visit my son-in-law?
No, my in-law, it's not like that. I mean, this is also your house. But what I mean is that if I knew you were coming, if they told me, I would have arranged maybe catfish for you.
I can't remember telling you anything about catfish. Did I tell you I've never eaten catfish before?
My in-law, are we fighting?
Did I throw a punch at you? I can go.
I was coming to sit down, but I can see it's not conducive for me.
Hey! Mama, you are the bomb. Hey! Look at the way you are giving it to him. Giving it to him. You know what, Mama? You should be visiting every week. Trust me. I will make this house uncomfortable for him. Nyeme. And Abogan Express.
Bam! My action lady. My only mama. Let's continue. 20. I'm going to get it though. Mama, there is money in this house.
If these women in the village, I need to show them.
Okay, that you have arrived.
You see the money, you're going to eat it for them. I made you a quack, you will eat it for them.
Everything you do.
I need to talk to you.
Is that some kind of greeting or what?
Do you eat greeting? Why do you always behave as if you're uncivilized?
The cricket is a very good singer, but he sings in the bottom of the channel.
Do you think I'm here to listen to your flimsy adage? Listen, I want a better and permanent room for my mother in this house.
That's good. What happened to the guest room?
She doesn't like it. I want to give her the room beside your own.
Really?
Really.
But you know that is impossible. That room belonged to my late wife.
So the room should be left empty because it belonged to your late wife?
Eh? So I should be begging for a room in my own daughter's house. Ask him, is that not sheer wickedness?
Woman, did I remind you that this house belonged to me?
Which house is yours? You're a wicked and greedy man.
What did you say?
You heard me. Shame on you. Your mates are in their villages and you're here discomforting this young couple. Can you imagine? If you want to do this here, your papa is around. If you want to go this side, he's around. You won't allow us young couples to experiment, do some things in this house. Go to the village, your mates have retired.
I don't have anything to say to you. I have nothing to say to you.
Wicked man. See, I'm even suspecting you are hiding some of your cutting materials in that room. I know you. No, okay. What nonsense.
Since it has come to that, I can see you are looking for a wealthy husband for your mother.
Do you think you can marry my mother?
Back to sender!
You cannot marry my mother. Can you imagine? Old man. Actually, if I will be dodging him. We will not express our love in this house. Go and die or go to the village. Mama.
He hasn't seen anything.
Mama, if we continue like this, in no distant time, he will pack his belongings and run away from this house.
Look at his face.
Don't worry. That is white hair will soon turn to brown. Bam.
Bagam.
Collins, your wife brought her mother here this morning to insult me. Did she tell you?
Insult you?
She called me a wicked man, an occultic man.
Are you not an occultic man? Yeah? Or what on earth would make you lock your wife's room for years?
Did you hear that?
Dad, she just asked a question.
Collins, what has gotten your brain off its capacity to think? Where is your sense of manhood?
You're insulting me before my in-laws, do you know that?
No, you are the one insulting yourself in front of your in-laws by failing to be a man.
My son, please, forgive him.
If I may ask, Father, that room has been locked for many years and I haven't even gone in there. And it makes me wonder, is there anything going on there that I don't know of?
Ask him.
Ask him.
You see, if by tomorrow you don't hand me the key to that room, I will personally break it and replace it with a new one. And that's final.
Wow, love you, baby.
And your mother's ghost will haunt you for the rest of your life.
There is nothing like ghosts. Mama, let's go. And there is nothing like ghosts. Wicked man. Go and retire.
Collins, did you actually break that door?
But Dad, I told you I was going to do it. Didn't I?
And you moved my wife's things to the generator room?
Dad, if there's anyone who is meant to fight for those things, it should be me. Because she was my mother.
Now I know I have to ride in a different direction.
its reward.
Yes, yes. What is in that bag?
Snacks for Chief.
So all you do is make it look as if I'm wicked. You go about telling people that I don't cook in this house, right?
Ma, where is this coming from? Were you not the one who instructed that I must not enter your kitchen?
Mama, she's talking back at me. Anna, so you can now talk back at me.
I'm sorry, Ma.
You're not taking this rubbish into my house. Yeah, ma.
What is happening here?
Sir, Madam insists I must not take the snacks inside for you.
Bring down the heaven if you can. Mama, let's go inside. Leave my way, old man.
I called you here so that you talk to your daughter. Speak to her.
You want me to talk to my daughter?
Yes.
Have you talked to yourself? Or do you need me to remind you that you are the one that needs to be talked to?
I've watched you since you arrived in this house. I noticed that you came fully prepared for that.
Thank God you know that. Thank God you know that. Listen, I came here to rest. I don't have your time.
I'll miss you. I'll miss you. When are they coming again? Hey, Mama.
I'm going. If you like, kill my daughter with your wickedness. Oh! But I promise you, you will not like what you get.
Mama, don't mind him. Let me see you to the door.
That's just the same, eh? Some steps that I will follow.
I don't understand.
I said I want the books in the boys' quarters cleared.
Why?
I want to make use of it. I want to use that room as my storeroom.
But why the boys' quarters when we have 2 room stores in this main building? Why the boys' quarter where I stored my books?
And you expect me to answer that question? By the way, why do I always have to explain myself anytime I want to do anything in this house? My husband's house!
Do you know you are rude? You are mannerless and it's not good for you.
What is going on?
Your father has refused to clear the books from the boys' quarters so I could store those things I told you that I want to buy.
Honey, please. Can we leave this for another day? Just let him be, please.
Goddess, tell your wife, in fact, make her understand that I am not her mate. Neither am I her co-wife. Did you hear that?
Sincerely, I don't like this. All these scuffles and stuff, I don't like it. Why can't we live in peace in this house? Every time quarreling. If this continues, I don't mind to build a house for you elsewhere.
No, I will be the one to build a house for you. What do you have?
This
quarreling with my wife.
What is it? Leave me alone, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood because I want me to sleep.
You're angry with me, right?
Thank God you know that I'm angry with you. Until you caution your father to stop nagging at me, to give me my respect in this house as your wife. Caution him.
Come on, my love. No one is disrespecting you in this house. But you should respect my father as well. But okay, is that why you want to deny me my conjugal right?
What conjugal right? Eh? Listen, let me tell you. Until your father starts giving me the respect that I deserve in this house, you're not getting in between my thighs. Case closed.
My love, you are doing visually everything you want in this house, even when they're against my father's wish. What else do you want?
Make him to respect me. I deserve to be respected.
Okay, fine. I will tell him to respect you. Alright? Is that okay now?
I'm saying I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Let them start respecting me first, then you can come back.
I will tell them. They will respect you.
Let them start it, then you can come. For now, I'm not in the mood. Allow me to sleep.
My love, I promise, respect will rush you. I will let them know. Respect will rush you, my love, okay?
I'll rush you too. I'll rush you too with several blows. Now leave me alone. Please let me sleep. I'm not in the mood.
Who asked you to use it?
I don't understand. I have been using it before you came here.
What? Rubbish!
I am not your maid.
You want to fight me? You want to fight me in my husband's house? Have you gone nuts? You are fired.
You cannot fire me because you did not employ me.
What temerity? What nerves? You are even talking back at me. You know what? Go in there, pack your things and leave this house.
I cannot do that. The only person that can make me do that is Oga.
Go! You are leaving! You are leaving my house!
You now talk back at my wife?
Not just talking, fighting me! She was fighting me!
How brazen, Anna! You now talk back at my wife?
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out of my sight! Can you imagine?
Is that all you could do? Get out of my sight, that is all you could say? Go in there, discipline her, show her that you are the man of this house. Go!
Right?
Yes, right!
Okay, I will go in there now and I will sack her.
Yes, fire her, that is what
Anna!
Go!
Anna!
Can you imagine? Ordinary maid. Oh, she touched me. Go! Fire!
Anna. What is the problem?
Mr. Collins fired me, sir.
Mr. I call him fired. Why?
His wife had asked me to remove your clothes from the washing machine, and I refused.
Take your bag back to the house.
Sir?
Take your bag inside. Let me see who's going to stop.
Take your bag inside where, Dad. I have sacked her for insulting my wife.
Anna.
Sir?
Go and keep your bag in the house. Let me see who's going to stop you.
Dad, did you hear what I said? She insulted my wife and almost fought her.
Listen to me, young man. Let me tell you, being a man is in the head. I'm not being easily misled by an excited dog. Did you hear that?
Honey, we are late.
No, I'm skipping her. I have places to go to.
Son, I need you to take me to the hospital. I think my BP is high.
Dad, can't that wait till tomorrow?
No.
It won't be possible because I'm taking my wife to the salon.
We won't waste time at the hospital.
Oh, Dad. You sound as if you're not living in this house with us. I always take my wife to the salon every Saturday. That's our normal ritual. I won't change today.
I'm aware that she has her own car and she can drive.
Oh, Dad.
Honey. Sweetheart, I'm ready.
So you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. How do I look?
How are you? Lavish?
As always.
Anna!
Yes,
Did you enter my kitchen?
I went to prepare something for Chief to eat.
Answer my question first. Did you enter my kitchen? Are you stupid? Have you gone nuts? How many times have I told you not to enter my kitchen without my consent?
Come, Elizabeth. How long will you do this before you know that you're overstepping your boundaries? You don't have the right to hit my worker. You don't have the right to hit her.
I will hit her again if I so desire. Now take this food back to my kitchen this minute.
Anna, come here. Anna.
Please, sir. Just allow me to touch her a little. I can handle her.
I said no. Don't give her the pleasure.
Just a little touch, sir.
Anna, hold yourself. Don't.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Elizabeth, so you poured away my food. How could you be this wicked? Do you realize you just spat on my face?
Leave my kitchen. Get out of my kitchen. Don't allow me push you. I will push you.
No. Do you know that I built this house and I own everything that is in it?
Are you still here? You don't want to leave. You don't want to leave my kitchen, right? Okay. You are going to sleep here. Foolish old man. You are going to sleep in this kitchen today. You will sleep there today. Idiot.
Ma, did you just lock Oga in the kitchen?
Do you want to lose your job?
No, ma, but he's hypertensive.
Then get out of my sight.
Sir! Sir! Auntie! Ma!
This is not happening.
Sweetheart.
How are you?
You're welcome.
How are you?
You're welcome. How was work today?
Well, we thank God for today. We've done what we can. So, my love, if you know what is good for me right now, get me food. I'm hungry.
You know what, baby boy? I am taking you out.
Out?
Yes.
Baby, I don't want to eat outside. I don't want snacks. I want good food prepared by my lovely wife.
Baby, I'm taking you to the best restaurant in town. Okay, so let's go upstairs to refreshen up.
Is it anyone's birthday?
Meaning I can't take my handsome, hardworking husband out. Let's go upstairs so you freshen up.
Okay.
Change to something casual.
Alright.
I want to give you a treat. My baby.
I'm okay.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby.
I'm fine. Because you know that you are the best wife in the whole wide world.
I know. And I will do everything to make you happy.
How about I will keep loving you, loving you, loving you.
Oh, I love you more, baby. What is it? What is your problem? It's okay, baby. Let's go upstairs so I can rock your world.
Rock my body.
Let's go.
Sir, she locked your father in the kitchen all afternoon. He's still there.
Is he complaining?
It's okay, baby.
I'm asking you, is he complaining?
My love, it's okay. Baby, let's go upstairs.
No, I need her to answer my question.
Go.
My father complaining.
Lord, baby. This way.
What's that?
Upstairs. Yes.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya, Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy little Waloya. Ewa, Makwarana Bia, Makwara Gabia, Makwarana Bia ni Bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona Bia ni Bazu. Ewa, Makwarana Bia, Makwarana Bia, Makwarana Bia ni Bazu. Everything you do comes back to you.
Hey. I can get up and get out of my kitchen door. Yes. Can't you greet?
Old man.
Now we know who owns this kitchen. I hope you enjoyed your night.
Yes, very well. And may you be served in the same way when the time comes.
Sir, are you alright?
And how can I be alright? I have slight fever.
Let me help you, sir. Sir, would you want me to get you anything?
What I need now is hot water bath.
Very well then. Let me get it ready, sir.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Oh, God.
Old man, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
Mom and Dad?
You're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. How are you? Dad, how are you doing?
Collins, did you not hear that your wife locked me up in the kitchen?
Let me
Oh, Dad, not again. It's too early to spoil my day already. With your constant complaints.
Baby, let me see you to the door, okay?
Excuse me. I wanted to know how it's going and it's complaining.
Okay.
She complain all the time. My wife did this, my wife did that.
Your hot water bath is ready, sir.
Oh, thank you, Anna. Thank you.
Would you want me to help you to your room, sir?
Oh, no, Anna, don't worry. I'll manage.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Something's wrong. What's going on?
I want you to ask your wife before why she locked me up in the kitchen.
Dad, and you can agree. And I want you to answer me sincerely. Why do you hate my wife so much? Why is it that every time my wife this, my wife that? You hate her too much and it's too bad.
Sweetheart, your father's hatred will not cut close to my vein. I will keep fighting. I will fight, fight and fight until he gets tired. And finally have his rest in the grave.
I cursed you. I cursed you, this ill-mannered girl. You shall cry and nobody shall be there to console you. You will walk under the rain in a lonely road that has no end.
Honey, can you hear him? Can you hear your father? He just laid a curse on me.
Yes.
And you do something! You know what? Back to sender. I send it back to you 1 million folds. You are the one that weep, cry blood under the rain.
Now I know what you wish for my wife. But not to worry. I know what to do. And let's go. Thank you very much, Lee.
Hand-patched man.
Back to sender.
Hand-patched man.
Back to sender. You see that rain? You're the one that will weep under the rain.
Look at you.
You will cry out blood under the, your wife will will turn to bread. It will turn to blood under the rain. Evil man. Evil man.
Call yourself a wife. You are cursed. I have laid a curse on you and it remains.
Everything you do comes back to you.
Anna, I will be away for a while.
Yes, sir.
Please avoid any trouble with Elizabeth. If she wants you to stay away from the kitchen, please do so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Safe trip, sir.
Thank you very much.
Safe trip, sir. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
What did he tell you?
Nothing.
I will get angry with you if you don't. What did he tell you?
He did not tell me anything about you.
Are you deaf? Is something wrong with you? For the last time, what did Chief tell you about me?
He did not say anything. He only told me that he was going to be away for a while.
Meet me inside. Are you ready to tell me what Chief asked you to do to me?
He did not ask me to do anything to you, Ma. I swear on my life.
Oh, shut up! Liars always swear with their lives.
But I'm telling the truth, Mama.
Where do your parents live?
Ijaruma.
Ijagin? Huh. That hell of a place. You're from a wretched family then?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonder. I would like to see your parents.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take you to see them. Let me go and change.
Change to what? Did you come here with anything? My friend, go and wait for me outside. Are you still standing? Go and wait for me. You want to change as if you came here with anything. Is it not my husband's money you've been spending? Get out! Hello, Bugsy. I don't like this gun that you give to me. I don't like it. I've told you that I've started getting rid of everyone that makes me unhappy in my home. So I need a good gun, a better one. Alright, I'll be waiting. Bye.
Ma, are you getting rid of me?
Are you scared? You don't need to be scared, darling. I will only shoot you in the neck. It won't hurt.
Ma, please, ma, don't kill me. If I die, my mother too will die.
Shut up.
Please, ma, let me just go. I promise I will not come back to this house again.
Good. Because if I ever see you in that house again, I will blow your brains off.
Yes, ma. In fact, let me come down here, ma. I will not go there again, ma.
Shut up. If we get to your house, keep smiling. Start smiling. Smile. Do you want me to? Is this your mother?
Yes, ma'am. Let's see, madam. She's Mr. Collins' wife. Oh, my daughter. Hey, no.
Oh.
Let's see, madam. Yeah. Come inside. We'll come and sit.
Sit where? Inside where? Sorry, I'm in a hurry. Anna, remember our agreement. Keep smiling.
How about your master? Is he alright? She has not said anything.
Hey, Mama, did she have any problem with them?
No, she didn't tell me. Just that her master's daughter-in-law brought her back. And since she came back, she has not told me anything. Apart from that crying, she's crying there.
Is her Oga aware of it?
She said the Oga traveled. She has not said anything apart from crying.
What we have to do now is to call the Oga on phone and tell him everything. Let us just call him and tell him what happened.
Hey, how can we kill us then now? How will we manage before he's called on the phone?
On my jam.
Oh. Hey.
Uncle, how could you condone such callousness under your roof? Eh? Your son brought that Jezebel of a woman as a wife to torment you in your own house.
We call you the lion, Ago. What happened to the lion in you?
Eh? Obi, you see, what I need to follow these children now is wisdom. That's all I need.
Oh.
By the way, is that the reason why you invited me to the village?
Is that not enough to invite you? Or even call our kingsmen? Is it not enough? Eh? Do you expect me to sit down, fold my arms, and let them kill you first?
Nobody's killing anybody, you know. I'm in charge of the situation. Moreover, Collins and Elizabeth are children, young people.
Don't tell me that. Mama, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that Collins and Eliza, that wicked girl, that they are young. If Collins is young, is his brain still too? Why didn't he do something when that wicked Eliza locked you up, the owner of the house, in your own kitchen overnight?
You heard about that, don't you?
Are you surprised? I hear everything. I hear everything. Now listen, I know what to do. I am going to call the meeting of all our Umunna and tell them that Collins wants to kill you for us.
No, it hasn't come to that yet.
It has gone beyond that too. They have crossed the line as far as I'm concerned.
Do you have coconut in the house?
Coconut? Now, you see? Now you are trying to sweep everything under the carpet. You are changing the subject. Coconut. Odima, I will get you coconut. I'm on my way out. But let me go inside and see if I can get coconut for you. But I will still come and talk about this.
And palm wine too, if you have palm wine.
Coconut and palm wine.
Bring palm wine.
Coconut and palm wine. Coconut and palm wine. I will get them for you.
No, you don't have to be sad. Don't worry about it. I'll search for another job.
This girl suddenly became an obstacle to your blessings. She promised to settle you. But she came with her in-law and scattered everything. Go be punish her. Okay,
Is this not Annabelle, my daughter?
Maka.
Good afternoon, Papa.
When did you come back?
Papa, I'll be here now.
Papa, she just lost her job.
She lost her job. And so? She lost her job. Okay. Hey, open this door.
That one is locked. This one here is open.
Hey! Look at her. Come on, push the girl down.
Papa will never change.
Hey! Chineke.
I do not wish to talk about Collins and his wife right now.
You don't want to talk about Collins and his wife. Mana, is it true that Eliza, that wicked girl, locked you up in the kitchen for a whole night? Tell me, is it true?
Is it possible for us to talk about the land issue that brought me to the village?
You want to talk about the land issue?
Yes.
You expect me to fold my arms, watch them kill you? No.
The land issue. Have you been able to get a suitable site for the project I told you about?
I got one. It's at Ekpa.
Okay.
It is genuine. It belongs to the Mr. Gilbert, the teacher.
Oh, that's very good. Can we go and see it right away?
What is Fugo? Collins?
Leave Collins. Let us go and see the land first, please.
Mama, that man hates me with passion. In fact, he wants me dead. Nothing I do to make him happy pleases him at all. If I cook for him, he will complain. If I allow the cook for him, he will still complain. Mama, the man is heartless.
Isegene, why didn't you tell me all this while? I should have come to that house and make his life unbearable for him. Trust me. Don't worry. I know what to do.
I know what you can do.
I will come and turn that house upside down.
I
will teach him a lesson. Of course. He will know that my only daughter is not what he can use to exhibit his wickedness. Mbano.
I know. You are my backbone.
And I know what you can do.
Mbano. I know what you can do.
Calm down. Let's go inside. I trust you. I trust you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
My friend, I got back.
Here.
I'm right on time.
Obi, good morning.
Morning. The day is good.
Where are you going carrying your bag?
I'm going with you to the city. I want to go to that your house and caution those children. Because let me put my bag inside the car.
Obi, I am not going to the city right now. I am going to Abuja first of all for a conference.
Abuja. I knew it. I knew you would not allow me follow you. I knew it. Mama.
No, Obi, you see, what is going to happen next week? I will send my driver to come to bring you to the city.
Next week.
You understand? Yes.
Next week. I don't believe you.
Or do you want me to send him right away after dropping me in Abuja?
Oh, the man. Next week. I will wait. Next week. Mana, Ago, if I don't see your driver next week, be rest assured, you will find me in your house. I will find my way to your house.
Obi, have I lied to you before? I have not lied to you before.
Don't worry.
So trust me. Actually, I ought to have given you some money for your upkeep.
I have money. Don't worry. Next week. Next week.
Don't worry. Don't worry, my driver will come to you.
Bye. We're not here. Who is here? Okay.
Yes, what is it?
What do you mean by what is it? Is that a new form of greeting? Didn't you see me here when we came to marry your daughter?
Did you write your name on your forehead? Or have you come to torment me the same way your brother torments my daughter?
Oh. Now I know where the scorpion got its poisonous pincer. Nay, warn your daughter. Warn her. Tell her to behave. Otherwise, I will tell her that I am Obikwelo. Tell her that I, Obikwelo, will not allow any man or woman, in fact, nobody born of a woman will dip his or her finger in our hot pot of soup without being lashed mercilessly. I say so. I, Obikwelo, say
I can see that wickedness runs in your family. Now listen, let me tell you. My daughter cannot be lashed mercilessly. Instead, she will lash you and the entire family mercilessly.
Okay.
Wham!
You want war?
That's not war.
You will get war. And before I start the war with you, I will let the whole community know that I, Obikwelo, has brought war here. Hey, everybody come! I have brought war. I will show you that you have seen war and you cannot survive by war.
Get out of my house.
Odinma, we shall see.
This is the first sister.
I have started the war here. You will see war. You will hear from me.
What's wrong?
We shall see.
Never. There is no problem. I know what to do. Nonsense.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Who was that? I heard voices.
Is he not that lanky man that calls himself Obi? Your father-in-law's brother.
What does he want here?
He came to tell me to warn you to stop treating his brother badly. He even threatens to lash you mercilessly.
Lash me, Abu Lizzie, mercilessly. Is he mad? Ha! Mami meze kobroy. You should have called me to come and give him the embarrassment of his life. Or on our warehouse.
Calm down. Now I know that they don't mean well for you. But I will teach them a lesson. Trust me. I can't wait to go back with you to that house. I can't wait to go back with you. Calm down. Chief Ugonefo.
Look at Obio. Come
coming here to warn us. To warn me. Okamana ama taka badibia. Madibia ama no mabu okono. But intaka cho no orange. Forget them. Forget them.
Hey.
Mama Elisa, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm going to your house.
Yeah. I hope there's no problem.
There's something I want us to discuss about.
Can't you see I'm going out? So that thing cannot wait till I come back.
It is something very, very important. Yes.
More important than where I'm going to. If it is very important, come back later in the day.
I should come back in the day. Mama Elisa, are you working out on me? Mama Elisa? So, Obi came to my house, complaining bitterly about it. Mama Elisa, I want you to call Elisa to order.
Yes, again.
I said, I want you to call Elisa to order.
Why will I call my daughter to order?
Huh?
In a reason.
Why?
In a reason.
Yes.
Bagenti. Go and tell Obi to get more bitter.
Obi to get more bitter?
Mama Kulie, I will not call my daughter to order. Tell him that he's the one that needs to call his brother to order.
Mama Elisa, is this what you can say?
Mazen Dunwe, that is all I have to say.
All you have to say?
All I have to say. You know what to do.
Hey!
You know what to do.
Okay. Let me take my leave.
Only very important. Scotty.
Yeah.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya Namasana. Oh, Maya Little Waloya.
Anna! Anna!
I sacked her.
You did what?
In a formal English language course. I fired.
Better not.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where is Anna?
She's fine.
Where is she?
She's at home here. He said she's afraid. And she doesn't want to die.
Who is killing who?
Chief, your daughter-in-law.
Nobody is killing anybody. Now tell me, where is Anna?
Chief, she's here. Chief, I don't want to lose my daughter. It's better we live in this poverty. It's okay, Biko.
You are not poor. Where is Anna? Anna, come here. Anna, why don't you call me on the phone and tell me what's happened?
I don't want any trouble, sir. I don't want to die.
Anna, you are not going to die. Eh? Now get into the car.
No, sir.
I already promised I will not come back, sir. I don't want to die, sir.
No, Anna, just get into the car.
Chief.
Stay out of this. How this?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Anna, get into the car.
Let me get my bag, sir.
Okay, your bags. Your bags.
I don't understand. Is this the reason you called me back? Yeah?
Is that not enough? Is that not enough reason to call you? That you and your wife, you will maltreat my own brother in his house. And you say that is not enough reason to invite you. Collins, you.
To be honest, if I had known this is the reason you invited me here, I won't grant this invitation. Let me remind you, I'm a man. Alright? Stay off my business. Do not call my phone again to tell me this rubbish. Let this be the last time you do it.
Collins.
Excuse me.
Collins. Collins.
Oh, mind your business.
Don't worry. Very soon we shall know who is who. Look at man. Man. Hey, I don't blame you. Man.
Where is he? Where is he? I will take you to his room. Come out! Where is he? Mama, I will take you to his room. Let's go. Eji mama e wonu jo. Eji mama e wonu jo. Come out! Welcome. Mama, welcome. Where is he? Where is that wicked man? Call him to come out! What man? I beg you no. Let me take it. Come down! Come out! Where is he? Nonsense! I am here for you! I am here for you! Hey? Mama, where is that evil man? He's here. Olonjo. Olonjo. What man? I'm here to ask you why you laid a curse on my daughter. Why won't you allow her to enjoy her marriage?
This woman, I can see that disrespect runs in your family. Madness also runs in your family. Now will you get out of my room? Get out!
He said our family. It's your family that madness runs in. If I don't get out, what would you do? You think your evil charms or whatever you believe in can get me? Error.
Okay.
That's all. Is it error? Nonsense. What is he doing? Is he calling his son? Let him call whoever he wants to. We only a guy.
Yeah, DPO, please send me some of your armed men to my house. Yes, there's a mad woman here I want you to arrest. Yes. Very good.
Mama, let's go. It's not like we're afraid of the police, but let us go. Calm down.
This is enough.
What is enough? Listen, let me tell you. This is just the beginning. I am not afraid of the police. If you like, call him back. Tell him to call battalions. How come get bam? Okay? We are not afraid of the police, but let us go. Useless man. We are not afraid of the police, woman. I just want to go give my mother food.
Give her food, let her get to the police is coming. Don't they will arrest you.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Nonsense.
Food
of vipers. What a family. Look at mother and daughter, brood of vipers. Nonsense.
Useless man. I wonder. Wicked man. Occultic man. Allow my daughter to have peace. He said no. You will die. Your mates are in the village. Your mates are in the village. Oh, useless man. Nonsense.
It will not work for you, Mama.
People is a bastard. Sorry. I told you he's an narcotic man. It will not work for you. Sorry. No. Sorry. Easy. Just take it easy. Now is your Sorry. Why? Sit. Try. No. Mama. My enemies have succeeded. No, you will not succeed. Mama, wait. Should I bring or rub or balm or hot water to massage it? Which one? Hannah. Now. Sorry. My love, you're welcome.
Mama, what happened?
Is it not your evil father? Your evil father to marry my mother for. I've seen it.
My father.
Do you want to worsen it?
What happened? What really happened?
He's paining her.
Please for me.
I don't understand. My father called police for you and they did this to you? Why?
It's okay, you have me. It's okay, stop crying.
Your wife.
Sorry, Mama.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
Father! Dad!
Mama, he has gone.
Dad. So you had the guts to call police for my in-law and you allowed them beat her up like a criminal. Dad, I'm talking to you. Why are you wicked?
Mama, sorry. What happened? Why? What happened? Do you think he has beaten his father?
I wish he did.
From the look on his face, what the copy, duka.
It is better he kills him.
Where?
So
that I'll be free. Listen, let me go know what happened. I'll join you soon. Nadia.
Do you know chata? I told you that my operation is finished.
I'll send some to you next week.
Wow. What will I do this week? Take it. Come over. Let me wait now. At least I want this one.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh,
You can see it. You can see the pipe. Yes. I like your friend's job. I like the work you have done on this wall. So I want you to run the pipe through, create a hole here like a gutter, where the water can be passing through. So get to work immediately.
What is going on here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dude. I asked what is going on.
Sorry.
Listen, my friend. If I see any mark on this wall, I will get you arrested.
Are you listening to this old man? Go on with what you're doing. What are you trying to do?
I don't want trouble.
You don't want trouble, so my friend, come back here. Come and do your job. Don't you want money? Am I not going to pay you? Look at this. Are you old? Have you seen what you've cost? Have you seen it? You're just wicked. You're nothing but a wicked old grey-haired man. That's what you are.
Slap me. Mad dog. Mad dog. Gold digger. Idiot. You come and break your father's wall. You go and break your father's wall.
Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona biani bazu ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na biani bazu. Makwara ever.
Door is locked.
Auntie?
Gosh.
Ma?
No, let me call her number. It's ringing. She's not picking.
I told her we were going out.
I don't know.
Let's be patient, sir. She'll soon be back.
Okay. Why we wait? Let me keep trying this.
Makwara gada, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to
Ah, you're welcome. I made you fruit salad.
Oh, okay.
Yes, let's go inside.
Elizabeth, you mean you've been inside all this while?
Baby, fruit salad. Let's go inside. No, nothing is wrong. Ah, they're fine. Let's go.
Sir, Sir?
Anna, go to bed.
Sir?
Go to bed.
No, sir. Sir, you can't even be contemplating that, sir. This woman came from nowhere and she will go back to nowhere. Sir, no. Please, sir. Please, sir. Sir, give me the knife, please, sir. Please. No, sir. Sir?
I am not stupid.
You're not, sir. Let me get this away, sir. What do I prepare for you, sir?
Use the grill and roast up the steak.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Whose grill are you talking about? Listen, Anna, I don't want to see you anywhere close to my kitchen. And make sure you clean it before I return.
Excuse me. Sir, let me quickly see what I can put together, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Oh, Anna.
Sir, I got you some fruits.
Oh, Anna, thank you very much.
It's nothing, sir. Let me quickly wash them and serve them.
Anna, please sit down. You see, one day, this happiness that I share may turn sweeter or sour.
I don't understand, sir.
My son and his wife are up to something. But when the time comes, I want you to realize that I appreciate all your services to me.
Sir, please, do not ask me to leave. I'm perfectly fine, sir. I like working for you. It is fine. I mean, I don't have any problems.
And I have not said that. All I'm saying is that you should expect surprises, just as I'm expecting them.
Okay, sir. Let me quickly wash the fruits and serve it.
What is the meaning of this? Why would you bring this into my living room? What happened to the dining? You this man, why do you always like messing everywhere up with filthy things?
Elizabeth, I am sure you do not shout at your mother like this in that your ghetto.
My mother does not mess things up like a pig.
You're calling me a pig, eh?
Obviously, you behave like one. Who said Anna? Anna!
Auntie,
don't you call me auntie. I'm not your auntie. I've told you that before.
Ma?
Why did you serve him this in my living room?
Huh?
Take it out. Are you still standing? Are you deaf? I said you should take this out of my living room.
Is it in it?
Shh. Leave my way.
Anna! Anna, come here. Go back to your duties.
Dad, I've been waiting for you to say something. I want to go to bed. I have forms to fill online, please.
For the second time in 1 week, your wife has used my car without my consent. This morning, I was to go for medical checkup. She just brushed me aside and drove away in my car.
Dad, we have lots of cars in this compound. You could as well go with one. Is it supposed to be a problem?
What did you say?
Yes. I mean, you always complain about, this is not supposed. I mean, she's more like your daughter.
I have complained of your wife's attitude towards me uncountable times. But you have not been able to do anything about any one of them.
Because for uncountable times, you've brought up unnecessary issues concerning her, simply because you dislike her. And I really don't know why you dislike my wife. She's like your daughter. Why are you always complaining? Honestly, Dad, I'm tired. I need to go to bed. I'm waking up very early tomorrow. I'm just tired of... Time, my wife this, my wife that, she did this, she did that. I'm not tired of complaining.
It's well. It's well. Yes, come in. Oh, Anna.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I came to find out what you'd like to have for breakfast, sir.
And I'm not hungry yet. Is my son still at home?
Yes, sir. He's having breakfast.
Okay, please go and tell him that I want to see him.
Okay, sir. Is everything okay, sir?
Go and call him. I want him to take me to hospital.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, what is it?
Sir, your father wants to see you.
Are you blind? Go and tell him that he is eating.
I think he's ill, sir. He insists on seeing you.
I said you should go and tell him that he's having his breakfast. Hurry up, darling. You'll be late for work.
His wife did not want him to come.
Not exactly, sir. She says he's having breakfast.
go and tell Collins that I want him to take me to the hospital.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, your father is ill. He insists on seeing you so you can go to see the doctor. Rubbish. Do you realize I'm older than you are? Do you realize that I am older than you?
Sweetheart, are you watching her? Look at the way she's talking to me. Do something!
Anna, get out of my sight.
I have served your father for years. He has never laid his hands on me. Your wife slaps me and you say nothing?
I said, get out of my sight.
If you look at me that way, I will pour you this hot cup of tea. Get out! Rubbish.
Everything we do in this world.
Sweetie, eat up. You'll be late for work. Eat.
Everything has its reward. Oh, Maya, Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy a little while.
Well, your temperature is normal. How are you making it look like a serious thing?
Take me to the hospital.
Dad, I can't go to the hospital now. I'm late for work already. I will call Dr. Philip to come treat you here since your doctor is not in town.
Call him now.
I will. I'll call him. I'll call him later. Alright, let me rush out, huh?
Comes back to you,
Anna. Doctor, why am I not getting better?
Chief, you'll be fine, sir.
You've been saying this for the past 3 days now.
Chief, it's a gradual process. You'll be fine. Just take the medication. Do I instructed you, sir? I'll come back in the evening and see you. Yes, sir. Yes. See you in the evening, sir.
Collins, if I were you, I'll take him to old people's home.
You think that will be the best?
Of course.
Though I'm not sure we have such thing in this town.
No. We have a lot of them in this town. We have St. Bartholomew's old people's home. We have St. Paul's old people's home. And we have St. Barnabas old people's home. All in this town.
Okay. That really sounds interesting. I never knew we have such thing in this town. Okay. I'll take him there. I will take him there. At least he will give us rest of mind, and from there, he will find his way to the village.
Well, I hope you do as you just said. Because if you do, Collins bets me, your home will become sweet and your marriage will be good again for your beautiful wife. Think about it.
That's it.
Everything has its reward. Oh, my
Collins, take me to the hospital. I don't think this your doctor knows what he's doing.
Dad, why have you chosen to be a thorn on my flesh? Eh? When will you appreciate the fact that I and my wife are really taking care of you?
Take me to a good hospital. That's all I ask for, Collins.
Okay, since you've decided to be ungrateful, I will take you to a place where you'll be grateful. They will also take care of you there and you appreciate it more, since we are not taking care of you.
Everything you do comes back to you.
Anna, what do you want to tell me?
Nothing, sir.
Anna, have you started lying?
No, Chief.
Now tell me, what do you want to tell me?
Sir, I overheard your son and his wife saying they were going to take you to the old people's home, St. Bartholomew's precisely.
I saw it coming. But I'm not bothered about it. I just want to be healthy again. If that's what you want to do. So you are moving me out of the house and sweat.
Sweetie, bring the bag. We don't have all day. Open the boot. Hurry up now. Open the boot.
Don't worry. Go home. I'll be fine.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward.
Go inside and get useful to yourself.
Baby, let's go.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Who do we have here?
Oh, Father CJ.
Chief Fedman.
Yes. How are you?
I was discussing with Sister Victoria yesterday. And I told her you would like to be part of our anniversary. And here you are.
That's so nice. Father, can I sit down first?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Is this not Collins?
Just here.
You were right when you said he's going to be a great man.
But I'm not here to take much of your time. You see, I brought my father here so the nurses and the sisters can take very good care of him, since he has become a nuisance to me and my wife.
What?
Where do I keep his bag?
She's pregnant. What is going on?
Father, with all due respect, tell us where to keep his bag. We don't have all day.
Collins, can you tell me what is going on?
Father CJ, the dog once took his owner to the exact spot where he patted it.
So do I pay in check or in cash? Whichever way you want it, I'm ready.
Oh, how time flies.
Well, Father, I have never seen time fly so fast in the wrong direction.
I just asked if I should pay in check or in cash. What's funny?
Whatever. You can pay in check, you can pay in cash.
Father, can I have a word with you for a minute, please?
With me?
Yes.
Oh, sure.
I'm sorry to ask. Do you know my father before now?
Chief Ferdinand? Who doesn't know Chief Ferdinand? Kind man. He single-handedly did our second orphanage 10 years ago.
Oh.
He's a kind man.
I thought as much because the way you both are, laughing. I knew you must be friends for a long time.
He became my friend forever when he took a bold step to save his soul. Take a look at this picture. Do you know this boy?
Of course, this is me.
Good. This boy was abandoned by his mother. He was diagnosed with lung infection. Nobody came for his adoption. Chief Ferdinand came, picked him up, and promised me he was going to make him a multimillionaire before he turned 30. So tell me, is he not a good man?
Father, can you show me my room?
Oh, well, please, let me tell you.
Let's go and beg him. Let us go and beg him. Chief! Let's go and beg him. Let's go and beg him.
Chief, I think you were saying something.
Yes. Anna, come on. Father, I called you aside because I want you to be witness to what I am going to tell you now. 2 of my companies now belongs to this orphanage. My house belongs to Anna. That is my will, and that is the way I want it to be.
Dad, please. Please. Father, please. Help me talk to my father.
Good day, son. Father, I think we should do that. Anna. Father.
Anna.
Father.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, my, sana. Makwara nabia, makwara gabia, makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara onabia ni bazu. Makwara nabia, makwara nabia, makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara nabia ni bazu. Makwara ewa. Makwara nabia, makwara nabia, makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara nabia ni bazu.
Oga, sir, move this car. This place no got the garage now. Move am.
Yes, open the door for them. Yes, Eket.
Ma?
John. Everybody go back to your duty. As normal.
You think you're a wife beater? You think you're a wife beater? Eh? You must kill me today. You must kill me today. You must kill me today. You must kill me. didn't you tell me that you were adopted? Eh? Muna my mother with a dengue, no pose. Thinking I am going to go see no. We didn't know you were an adopted son of Chief Ferdinand. Hey!
Will you get out of my back now? I'm thinking. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Get out to where? Where do you want me to go to? Where do you want me to go to?
God punish you there. God will punish you. Go to hell for all I care. Are you not the cause of all this?
Hey, don't shout at me! Don't you ever shout at me, you bastard! Don't shout at me again, no! Look at the bastard shouting at a legitimate daughter like me! Don't shout at me again! Idiot!
What? Did you just call me now?
Are you not a bastard? Opa with big letter B! Bastard! That's what you are! No! No! You okay now? You okay? Okay! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Sorry, uncle! Mario! Back up, people! Never!
If I don't kill you,
Everything we do in this world.
Jerry, I'm doomed. I am finished. I am finished.
Doomed? Come on, did anything happen to Lizzie?
Don't even call that name close to me. Don't even call that devil's name anywhere close to me.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down and talk to me. What's the matter? Talk to me. Collins, talk to me.
We've gone to the old people's home.
Okay.
And the Reverend Father told me, lo and behold, that I was adopted. I was adopted.
Collins, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I was abandoned at the gates of the orphanage home. Everyone rejected me. I was sick until my father came for my rescue after a few weeks. I am not his real son.
But how could that man hide a thing like this from you and remain controlled all along? Calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. Stop telling me to calm down. Were you not the one giving me bad advice? Do this to your father. Do this to your father. Well, what advice do you want to give me now? Have you not ruined me? I am ruined. I have nowhere to go.
Collins, if you listen to me.
No.
When you get home, pretend as if you're not bothered.
Which home? Which home? He willed the home to the could have a home now. I have no home. Which home am I going back to?
Collins, can you listen to me?
Are you mad?
No, I'm not. I know you are heated up. Listen to me. You see, as long as you were officially adopted by that man, you remain his son. Please calm down.
I'm so stupid. How?
Collins, you're not doing yourself any good. Calm down, please calm down. Collins,
let me be. Don't even touch me.
Comes back to you.
Left with nothing. Elizabeth, it shall never be well with you. The problem started from the day I went into that godforsaken village.
You missed the road. We'll go back to the main road. So you don't need to be confused. Let me make it simple. When you get to the main road, take your right. You will see the palace is just after the Anglican church. Follow you. Ogano, please. I don't know you, I cannot follow you. I didn't say you are one, but oh my god, I don't know you before, so I cannot follow you. I'm sorry.
Thank you so much. I could have been frustrated if you didn't accept to help me.
You're welcome.
So what is your name?
My name is Elizabeth. But Billy, I will listen. In other words, you can call me Lizzie. Yes.
Very good. So do you mind if I have your mobile number?
I lost my phone on my way back from service last week.
Hold up a sec. You're a graduate?
Yes, of course.
And what is a graduate doing in this village? Are you not supposed to be in the city?
Well, I am waiting for God's time.
Oh, come on, Lizzie, this is not a place to wait for God's time. I mean, you should be in the city looking for a job, don't you think?
Yeah, but I don't have anybody in the city.
But then this is not the place to be. I mean, you have to leave your comfort zone.
I wish I can.
How about your parents?
Just my mother. I live with my mother. Just the both of us.
Oh. So do you mind if I see your mother?
See my mother? What for? Why?
I mean, just to see your mother. I mean, see your mother. Is anything wrong with that?
Okay, alright. Let's go. My house is just around the corner.
Okay, here we go. Let's go see Lisa's mother. At least to commend her and also ask her why you're still in this village.
You're very funny. Mama!
Hey, no! You're back?
Yes. Good day, ma'am.
How are you, my son?
I'm very fine, and you?
I'm fine. Who is our visitor?
Mama, he's a friend.
A friend from the university?
Well, you asked plenty questions. Let's go find this.
Oh, go. Hey.
So, my how is life with you?
I'm fine, oh. I'm fine. No.
So,
What do you offer you? I have to order this.
My son, what do we offer you?
Oh.
I have some oranges.
Oh, come on, Mama, don't stress yourself. I actually stopped by to see you shortly.
Oh.
Okay, maybe next time.
It's okay. Hey, no.
Thank you.
Hey.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Ordinary friend, I just brought him home.
Just like that. Hey, ma. Welcome, good. Hey. How do you?
I hope all is well.
Yes, yes, well. Don't mind my mother.
Okay, Mama, let me run along. Like I said, I will come back next time to see. But for the meantime, just have this. Use it to buy anything for now. Okay?
Ma. Hold this.
Oh, come on, Mama.
For me. For us.
Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Oh, you're welcome.
God bless you.
Bless you too. Bless you too. Alright, Mama, let me run along, eh? Remember what I told you.
Okay. Drive safely, oh?
Sure, thank you.
Hey! 50,000. Why?
I'm the one that brought him home.
I know, but I'm your mother.
You will see.
At least I will cook a special soup for you.
What will go since you buy it? Cord, those big ones.
I will. When I got here.
If I go see Acha.
Uto?
Ego nesi nwoke na.
Uto.
Eliza! Mama! You're welcome.
Fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mama.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Let me get you a seat.
Oh, no, don't worry. I actually got you this so I can always reach you whenever I want to come.
Mama, look at phone. Not just phone, but big phone. Thank you. Mama, look at it. Okay. Big phone, no Android, though.
Thank you, my
Thank you.
God bless you.
You see, I have thought about what a graduate like you will be doing in this village. And honestly, it is not captivating to me. So I have secured a job for you in the city. Yes. And secondly, I secured a land where I will build for you and your mother.
Hey! Mama, come. You see, come. Hey!
Hey, come on.
Thank you. God bless you.
See,
Don't worry. Mama, land, job, in the city. My son, God will bless you.
Bless you too, Mama.
Hey!
Bless you too.
Come on, God sent.
Thank you.
I don't know how to start thanking. I'm short of words. God bless you.
Don't worry.
God bless you and bless you again.
Bless us all. Bless us all.
Amen.
Thank you. Mama, I have to run along. I have a lot to catch up in the office.
Okay,
so I'll come next time, anytime I can.
Okay. God will lead you.
God bless you. Honestly, I don't know how best to thank you.
It's okay. God bless us all. It's all right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So get ready. On Sunday, I'm coming to pick you up.
Okay.
I'll call you.
Be good. Oh, bye. Oh, God bless you.
Bless you too.
God bless you. Bye bye, oh. Why you, oh.
Bye bye. Hey! No! Mama.
So this is how God butter people's bread.
Can I give her? Hey! By next week, I will say city people. That is nothing at city. It will say landlady. Hey!
Okay,
Mama, it was just like that. Hey! Just like that.
Let me go and pack my things.
No, pack your things where? He said next week, not today.
Next week, today.
But I get you all.
Hey, all the mother.
Hey, calm down, mama. Landlady to be. Landlady in the
making.
Hey.
This is it.
Okay.
My getting push.
Okay. Cause the Muazi. No, Mua. I will sit in the comfort. But then at my office like this. Ned. Bring me files. Bring that. Bring this. Bring that.
So what did you say you wanted to tell me?
I was hoping we could go somewhere more private. A quiet place.
Okay, but yeah, it's private, don't you think? We're here alone.
Anyway, I just wanted to tell you, appreciate you for everything you have done for me and my mother. Words cannot express how I feel. Or thank you. God bless you. You're just God sent.
Hey, come on. You don't have to be raining appreciation on me all the time. What I'm doing it for God.
You deserve it.
Thank you, anyway. So I told my father about you.
About me?
Yeah.
What about me?
I told him I've seen a girl I want to marry.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Listen, Collins. I'm a nobody. I'm a daughter of a nobody.
That I know?
Do you think your father will accept me for his only son?
Come on, Lizzie. That is my choice. That is what I want. It's your want. I don't care where you come from. I don't care if you're the daughter of the president. It is my choice. Alright? So, do not look down on yourself. Okay? Will you marry me?
That's a big yes. I'll marry you. Waiting for my ring. Thank you very much. You've made me the happiest woman on earth.
Oh, and you made me the happiest man on earth. Got you. I got you.
Are you not going to ask your wife why she's packing her face? Wicked soul. Bastard! That's what you are. Yellow bastard! Bastard. Yellow bastard. That's what you are. You are crying. Cry, baby. You have not started crying. Okay, baby. Shame on you! Shame, shame, shame on you! Yellow bastard!
You are already going back to your poverty-stricken home. Go back.
At least I have a home. Collins, I have a home! What about you? You're just a bastard. Yellow bastard, that's what you are. Where's your home?
Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara, ona biani bazu ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na biani bazu. Makwara ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na biani bazu.
Why don't you go and ask him who your real father is? See, it's no good only Katana fellow Billionaire. Instead of us to go back to poverty, ask him. Your real father might be richer than him. You never can tell. Oh?
I was left in the orphanage by your known woman, dumb skull. By your known woman! By your known woman, dumb skull! Why can't you let me be? Haven't you done enough? Haven't you done enough?
Don't hurt me. I'm not the one that dumped you. I'm not your known woman. Collins, listen to me. Collins, you need to do something. Do something. Your real father might be richer than him. We can't go back to poverty.
The only thing I have to do is to send you back to your miserable mother. To send you back to your miserable mother. Let me be, Elizabeth. Let my life be. Let my life be. Is it hard to say? Let my life be.
Collins, this you're crying like a woman, not a horse. Do something. Behave like a man. Collins, stop crying. Get up and do something.
You must be the new gate man.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Where is my daughter?
Your daughter?
Your madam.
Oh, me, I don't know. What's your sis? I don't know anything about that. Yes, ma'am.
Ngwa, take this bag inside.
Father, my own here. Now too close. And open. That's all. I don't feel carry anybody bad.
Are you stupid? If my daughter hears what you just did now, she will fire you. Fire. In short, you are fired!
Fire me.
Hey, what? Onye is a monkey banana.
No. Where is
my beautiful daughter. Ebe Alam diam. Bien.
So you're still here? Eh? Shameless man. Balance your nappy for now juice. No! Where is my daughter? Biana alam digom. What is it? Eh? That contractor thinks he can mess me up. He does not know that I have a better place to stay. Listen, I will tell your husband to collect that project from him and give it to another person.
Mama, please. My head is spinning. Enough of this your contractor talk.
What happened? Hey, come here. What happened to your face?
Mama, let me be.
Hey, Mbano. No. Let me see. I'm your mother. I'm here. Show me. What is this? You know what? Take me to my room so we can talk better. Oh?
Mama, there is no room. No there never. There is no room. As a matter of fact, I have nothing again.
What are you talking about? Eh? Don't tell me that this evil man has succeeded in frustrating you. Shut up! He's not evil. He's the best man on earth. He's a good man. Shh. Good afternoon, Chief.
Barrister, you are here. Welcome.
Thank you, Chief. Where is Collins and Anne?
Anna. Collins, call Collins there.
Hey, can someone tell me what is going on? Has this evil man called the police or some cops for you and your husband?
Oh, Collins. Good that you're here. That is your quit notice. You are expected to leave this house in less than 3 hours.
Asota, this is woman. What else are you talking about? Is this some sort of intimidation or what?
Mama, shut up! You're making noise! Don't making noise!
Hey! Kameba, did I just hear you say that I'm making noise? Eh, I know your plan. You want to intimidate my daughter and my wonderful son-in-law. You fail!
I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
I will see you in the office.
No problem.
Silence.
It's woman.
Mama, shut up! We are making noise. Mexican.
Dad, no matter where I go today, you are still the best dad in the world. I wish you find a place in your heart to forgive me.
You're going nowhere! Get the money!
Anna, go and call me John and get
want to show that you
Mama, it's not in me.
But I don't know what is going on. I know his plan. You want to show that you want to do powers up there? Are you kneeling down for him?
Mama, shut up! Shut up, Pico! In case you don't know, everything now belongs to Rana, the maid. We don't have anything. So shut up and let's beg you, but not even forgive us.
Okay, come, Nancy. What did I hear you say? Hey! The cook! The maid! Let me get my bag! Hey!
In my bag!
Let me! Hey, the money! The money! Yes, sit down! Let me explain something! Don't bring it back! Don't bring it back! Don't bring it back! Hey! Please calm down! Let me explain! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! From here! From here!
Hey! Oh, you want to come and enjoy, Abi?
Come on, don't worry! Come on, don't worry! Hey! These people want to kill you. Mama!
Bye-bye!
Yes! Where's my daughter? Where? Do you know that this one carries the big milk and go?
Can you imagine?
Wicked people.
Hey!
Very wicked. Jesus.
Hey!
Evil people.
Hey! Okay, let me go back. Hey! What the why? Hey!
I can eat well now. You want to fire me? Or you are fired? Sir, please.
Your food is ready, sir.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, Maya, Mama Sana. Oh, enjoy a little boloya. Ewa, Makwara Nabia, Makwara Gabia. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona biani bazu ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na biani bazu. Makwara ever. Makwara na bia, makwara na share, makwara na biani bazu. Everything you do comes back to you.
Oh yeah, they come now.
its reward.
You see that was I feel like you are fired! When you sack me, no, they give me like, they give me letter. Say you go sack me. They don't. Today they just sack you.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, my masana. Oh, enjoy little wall, yeah. Ewo makwara na bia, makwara gabia, makwara na bia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara ona bia ni bazu. Ewo makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na bia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara na bia ni bazu. Makwara ewa, makwara na bia, makwara na bia, makwara na bia ni.
I wish I'll be given a second chance. In my next world, you will be my father. You are the man I've known all my life. Please.
Hi, Collins. What up?
Right.
Jerry, you see, I've been evicted from the house finally. And as it stands now, I don't have anywhere to go to. So I was wondering if I could stay here for some time, at least to figure out what to do with my life.
Collins, you should have told me on time. You don't just wake up and come and stay in my house.
I don't understand, Jerry. It's me, Collins, your friend.
Collins, I know. Collins, I know it's you. But you see, my wife and her sister came in last night. And as I talked to you, we're expecting my mother-in-law tomorrow. Come on. With all these, how can I accommodate you?
Jerry, I am stranded. I don't have anywhere to go to. I don't even have money on me. You and I know you have plenty rooms in this house. Why can't you just allow me stay in one till I figure out what to do? Are you actually saying this to me?
Collins, you're making me look like a bad person. Come on. My hands are tied. It's not as if I don't want to help. I was busy inside, Collins.
Jerry. Okay. Can I have some money from you? My account is frozen. I don't have any money on me.
Collins, I just told you my mother-in-law is around, and that means extra expenses. I wish I had something I could offer you. I don't have anything now.
Okay, fine. Can you buy my car? I don't mind to sell it. Okay.
A car?
Yes.
Well, I just hope you're not going to put too much money on that car. However, bring it tomorrow and I'll see what I can do for you.
Just hold the key.
No, don't worry. Keep the key. When you're coming tomorrow, you come with it. Okay? You have to excuse me.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh,
what do you want here?
My in-law, good morning.
Who is your in-law? Noah. Your in-law? Oh, so in-law is now written on my forehead, Kwaya?
My in-law, please. I was ignorant. My daughter is but a child.
What do you want from me? What do you want here?
My in-law.
Shut up, woman. I am not your in-law. So go straight to the point or you get out of my house. Now!
Okay, please calm down. I want you to help me beg your brother.
Beg who? Mwah! Beg! Where do you want me to start begging him from? That I should accept a boy who is not his? I knew it. I knew that Collins was never our blood. Our ancestors said no. They were never happy that we had to take that. Get out of my house.
Please, you can still beg your brother.
Get out of my house now before I do something stupid to you. Get out of my house before. Yeah, I said we can get out of my house.
Calm down, please, calm down.
In this world, everything has its reward.
Let me see you now.
Makwara na-abịa, makwara ga-abịa, makwara na-abịa n'ikpeazụ. Everything you do comes back to you.
Nai, good morning, sir.
I'm not saying you did me like this.
Nai, I'm going to your house.
To my house. I hope all is well.
All is well, my husband. I just want to talk with you.
As you can see, I'm going for a meeting. I don't think I have time.
I know, but honestly, I need to talk with you. Biko. Thank you.
Comes back to
You're not saying anything.
My husband.
Yeah?
I actually come to beg you.
Beg me what?
I actually came to beg you to help me talk to our in-laws concerning Elizabeth.
Which in-law are you talking about?
Our in-law, Elizabeth's husband.
Mama Eliza, is this why you stopped me from going to a meeting? Huh?
My husband.
Biko,
please, I need you to help me. My husband! My husband, Biko. My husband. Just hold on, please.
Mama Eliza, leave me alone. Stop following me.
Let me ask you, when they came to marry Eliza, did you inform me? When I finally found out, what did I tell you?
Oh yeah. Mama Eliza, are you inside? I'm right there.
Uncle. Hey.
Oh, one.
Uncle, good morning.
Morning.
Hey.
How are you?
Fine, Uncle. You're welcome.
Yeah. Where is your mother?
She went to get something.
Oh.
Let me get a seat for you to sit down.
Oh. Go to church.
Ah, she's here.
Oh.
Mama, you're welcome.
Hey.
Mama Eliza, you are back.
Yeah. Mazindulu.
Oh?
This one you're here this early. Hope all is well.
I heard that somebody is coming to ask for your daughter's hands in marriage.
Yes.
And you didn't bother to tell us. Her father's brothers? Huh?
If I tell you, what will you do? You will buy the drinks, or the rice, or the meat.
But the normal thing is for you to tell us. You can't do it alone. And then me.
Hey, Indulwe.
Huh?
If you don't know what to say. Una!
Mama! Ola! In my brother's house.
In my house.
Let me tell you, it is very, very important for you to ask questions about the people that want to come and marry your daughter.
What question do you want me to ask? I understand. You want to know if they are as wretched as the people that came to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage?
Yeah?
Chairman one. Let me shock you. He is extremely rich. You're gonna walk. You're gonna walk.
Mama Eliza,
Papa Eliza.
it has not got into an insult. What I'm trying to do is what I'm supposed to do as the only surviving brother of a late husband.
And the answer I just gave to you now is the only thing I'm supposed to tell you as the only surviving wife of your brother.
Ah. Ola. No problem. You later see me. Don't worry, ask for me. Hey! I don't worry. Bad woman.
Oginidi.
Eli. Tom.
Hey! this early morning.
Can you recall it? And now you want me to go and talk to people whom I don't know. I can't do that. I will not do that. John Wine.
My husband.
Hey, don't husband me. I husband the plan.
It's the clear no lo akubu. Ay, wanja agba.
Mama Elisa, have you turned to my housekeeper?
My husband, please forgive me. Biko, help me. Why alone, Biko?
Get up, get up.
I will not get up until you forgive me. Oh, Biko. Biko.
Okay, I'm forgiving you.
Oh, thank you, my husband.
I will talk to you.
Thank you, my husband.
You can go home. Oh. I'll talk to you. Oh?
Oh. Thank you, my husband.
John, it's a idiot. Forgive me. Mama Elisa. I've been able to talk to you. You told me that the young man is a bastard. Are you not aware of it?
I am...
Now, stop there, hold on. Who do you want me to go and talk to? Is it the bastard or the man who disowned him? Just tell me. Go on.
My husband. What would people say about my daughter and I? How could we be this stupid to have lost this blessing?
Mama, stop it! Stop this! Stop it!
Shut up! You are Luciano! You do Luciano! If you had played your card well, this wouldn't have happened.
Mama, you won't want me for us. Are you not the one that put me into this mess? Eh?
Is it kidding? Who put you into this mess? It was your stupidity and stubbornness that caused all this.
Mama, you raised me to be stubborn. You are stubborn, I am stubborn. We are stubborn people.
Eliza, you are not just stupid, but useless. You
are useless. Mama, if I'm useless, then you are stupid. In fact, you're a stupid mother.
What is it? Eliza, you called me a stupid mother. Eliza, you will die untimely. Devil will punish you.
It will start from you. That devil will start from you. Devil will punish you first. My devil, all his angels will punish you first, Mama. You're a bad mother, wicked mother.
Instead of you to use your number 6, only a telestick, now pencil.
Was it not the number 5 you told me to use that landed us in this mess? Oburia, if I had used number 6, by now I am a prison.
Eliza, I'm okay na challenge. Eliza, I know what to do.
Okay, Mama, Mama, I'm giving you respect. Mama,
Eliza,
Mama, you touch me, Eliza, Mama. You touch me, Mama. Mama, I'm giving you respect, Mama, set yourself. Mama,
I'm going to give you to form the lioness.
Mama, I'm also the lioness. I've not even touched you in either. I have not even touched you in either.
We use your my oborandu. If I give you one blow, is it in Agasana never? Hey! Look at you. Abomination. I know a man obodo. Eliza, I will not stand up from here unless you offer me cow.
Officer Cow, I'll go and buy 10 rows of cow. If you don't want to stand up, dinner never. Whenever I marry your bed. Look at you.
Eliza, woman, your generation will suffer.
You are suffering
Eliza.
already. You are suffering already, Mama. Wicked woman! Instead of teaching me how to respect my husband and my father-in-law, behave like a good wife. You know, never for do this one.
God will destroy you.
Destroyed you. God has destroyed you. God has destroyed you. God has destroyed you, Mama.
Oh. What is the meaning of this?
Mama, meaning of what?
You entered my kitchen.
Obviously, Mama, I went to collect some food.
Come on! Drop it. Obviously, Mama, I went to collect some food. Which food? My food. Let me ask you. Did you come back to this house with a grain of rice? Or even a dime? Mbano! You had the guts to enter my kitchen. In our one okeleku.
Mama, give me. What is it?
Where are you going to?
I want to wash my clothes.
With my bucket. I don't understand you. You want to wash with my bucket? Eh? Which bucket are we talking about? My own bucket. Take your time. This is my bucket. Oh, you came back empty. Means you are an empty vessel.
Everything we do in this world, everything has its reward. Oh, my masala. Oh, enjoy a little while, ever makwara nabia, makwara gabia, makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do.
Yeah, Namaka. What did you just call me now? What did you just call me now?
I was actually coming to the house.
Which house? And who is your uncle? I am not your uncle. I don't know you. You are not my blood. You can never on earth be my blood. Never. Let me pass.
Uncle, please.
Hi.
I know I've messed up big time.
I don't care. I don't care whether you messed up, you messed down, you messed right, left, roundabout, everywhere. That is your cup of tea. Look, don't call me uncle again. Don't call me uncle. I can't pray.
Please help me talk to my father.
So, the moment you open your mouth and call my brother, your father, it gets me mad. Look, listen, don't ever open your mouth and call him your father again. Get out of my way. Get out. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Yes, everybody wants him. Yeah.
Oh, my masala. Oh, enjoy a little while, ever makwara nabia, makwara gabia, makwara nabia ni bazu. Everything you do comes back to you. Makwara onabia ni bazu ever. Makwara nabia,
you doing here? Let us start. What are you doing here? What are you doing, Michael? What are you doing here?
Uncle. Uncle, please. 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 I feel so ashamed of myself.
I don't care.
I feel like committing suicide. Please. Please. Help me talk to my father. I don't mind to be a gate man or to be a cook, but just to make up for the love he has shown me. Please.
Point of correction, young man. Ferdinand, my brother, is not your father. Number one. Number two, if you want to commit suicide, you can go and kill yourself anywhere you like. Not in my compound. Listen to me. You're not my blood. I don't know you. I can never be your uncle. For you're a bastard. We pick you up from nowhere. You come and you behave as if we told you to somebody, and you treat your benefactor anyhow you like. Because of a woman. A woman! Because of a woman. Okay. Let me go get her now. Don't call me uncle. Don't call me uncle.
This is the only family I know. This is the only family I know.
This is not your family. Go to your family outside there, not here. You don't belong to us. We don't know you. You are not our blood. Get out of my compound.
I will die. I will die. What am I doing for?
In my compound. You don't want to hear. You don't want to leave. Other man. Okay. Anyway, don't die. Okay, I have fed you. I am coming. Get out of my house. Whatever. Nonsense. Get out. Nonsense. Bastard. Look at you. Let's come back and see you. What check this?
Everything comes back to
Sir, you sent for me.
Yes, Anna. Have this.
Sir?
Yes.
The...
Yes.
The letter says that you're giving me employment in your company.
Look, Anna, I am making you the managing director of my bottling company. Congratulations.
Sir? Sir?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, you have done more than enough for me already. This is too much, sir.
Look, Anna, you deserve even more. In fact, there's a car attached to your office.
Sir?
Anna.
Sir?
Anna, please get up.
No, sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Look, Anna, just get up. You know you are a wonderful person. You deserve more than this. Just
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. My hands are shaking, sir.
Stand up. Don't shake.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Get up, please.
No, sir. Let me thank you very well, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Oh, okay. I have the job now.
Yes.
And the car.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sit down.
No, sir. Let me kneel down, sir. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much, sir.